What's up, everybody? I wanted to make a quick video. I've been getting asked a lot about how to set up stems on Serato. For those of you who may not know, stems gives you the ability to remove vocals, the melody, the bass line, the drums off of a track in real time. I got a Rev 7 here, as you can see there. I got my laptop right here. It's very, very simple. I've seen other videos out there where they go a little bit complex on it, even the way of how to access the stems, but this is the very simple way of doing it. This is how I do it. So let me go ahead and show you. Basically, so you got your 4 buttons here. You got your hot cue, your roll, your save loop, then your sampler, right? So you want to go here to your settings on Serato. Now you gotta have the right version of Serato as well. So what you're gonna have show up here, it says you're gonna see replace pad mode with stems. See that there? So just go ahead and click that. Now if you look right here where it says pad mode, you can choose what buttons you want to trigger the stems. So in my case, I went with the loop roll, which is gonna be this button right here that says roll. That's the one that's gonna access the stem. So now that I selected that, when I hit roll, you're gonna see the 4 buttons light up in blue. First one is the vocal, second one is the melody, third one is the bass, and the last one is the drums. So you can just pretty much turn those on and off as much as you want. So let's give you a little demonstration of how that works. So let's go ahead and put this track on here. So you hear the guitar bumping right there. Take that out. Cut the vocal out and bring it back in whenever you need to. And then obviously the bass. I don't know if you probably can't hear in the video, but the bass comes out. So right now it's just all drums playing.
It's time to drop it.
So you can kind of just mess around with it. So if you're playing your hot cues, you can access that. When you're ready to mess with your stems, hit the roll button and play around with it. Cool thing about the Rev 7, and I believe the Rev 5 is similar to this. You can actually leave it in stems mode, and then you can access your hot cue buttons up here. Same as. So, if you gotta do some kind of trick where you have to do stems and hit your hot cue back, you'll have access to it already up here. So, very simple, guys. Yeah, like I said, all you gotta do is go in there, hit that button, and it's ready to go. Other than that, it's pretty much self-explanatory. From there, sky's the limits on your creativity. So, yeah, check that out. If you got any comments, I'll try to answer them, as best I can. I got more mixes coming up too, guys. Sorry, it's been a little bit crazy, hectic, busy. But I appreciate all the positive comments on the mixes and whatnot. I'm glad I'm bringing back kind of the nostalgia for a lot of people. But if you like this video and it helped you out, I know it's for the DJ community, but if it helped you out, man, give me a like, subscribe. That way you know when other videos are coming out. But like I said, I just want to do something real quick for the DJ community to help them out, just because that question's been coming up. I got some other stuff too that they've been asking me, which I will eventually do the video for. I've just been crazy busy with gigs and whatnot. So other than that, guys, let's keep creating, man. Peace out.